You're leaving for the new place today. I just wanted to see you before everyone got here. I guess I should tell you.
I was just gonna check his vitals, but I'll come back.
Elizabeth. I don't know how to do this. Yeah. Get over here now.
Michael, I owe you a huge debt. Because of you, Jason and I were able to see things more clearly. We stopped ourselves from making a really big mistake with Cameron and Jake, and now my boys are gonna grow up safe because of you. Jason loves you so much. He would do anything for you. And I pray that you're at peace and that you can feel how much you are loved. Michael's vitals are stable. You should transfer without a problem.
Thank you, Elizabeth.
Yeah, I wanted to thank you too, for taking care of Michael since he's been here. Please, thank Nurse Johnson as well, and the rest of the staff.
Of course, I will. I'll be here for the rest of the day if you guys need anything.
Thanks.
May I help you?
Yeah, I'm a friend of Michael's, Jason Moore.
And Dr. Levin.
Yeah, I know Michael since he was born. I just, wanted to see where he'll be spending, where he'll be living.
Cassius, you don't have to do this.
The boy's personal things need to be returned to his family.
If you don't mind, I would like to finish.
Sure. Just let me know if you need any help, okay?
Thanks.
Looks like a good place for Michael.
People are surprised how warm and welcoming it is here. I hope you'll come by often.
Yeah. I just wanted to leave this for him. I used to read it to him when he was a baby.
Africa?
I just thought maybe some of your staff could read it to him once in a while.
Hey, there, my boys. Oh, no. Looks like someone has chocolate on his face.
Yeah, Cameron made chocolate chip cookies in daycare.
Oh, well, I'm guessing you had a fun time.
Yeah, and you'll have even more fun after your sleepover, huh? And now I want to hear all about it on Saturday when we go to the park for that picnic.
Oh, that sounds like fun.
Yeah.
Come on, we gotta get going. We have a really long drive to Jackson's.
Yeah. Listen, are you,
Can you be a good boy, okay? We miss you. I know. Say goodbye to brother. Say bye, brother.
Are you coming down with us?
I'm gonna stay for a minute and clean him up.
Okay. Bye, Cam.
Bye, Eddie. Thank you. Jason! Oh my God! How did you know I was out here? How did you find me?
Just going for a ride. What happened?
I got a flat tire and then I locked my keys in the car with my cell phone.
Okay, I'll get the car open.
Thank you.